Scott Smith with Cadman Power Equipment. This is an instructional video demonstrating proper installation of our Cadman Power 3-piece clamps used on Renke corner systems. So first step, of course, you got your barb. You're going to get your hose onto your barb, ensuring you're at least, say, a 1/4 inch beyond this inner groove here. Take your 3-piece clamp. You can leave all pieces together and loosened off, and you can easily just kind of slip it around like that. So as you can see, these clamps have one end here that's quite thick and a thinner end, and this taper here. Rule is the taper always points towards the hose, so your thinner edge always towards the hose. And what you're going to do, just kind of feel that barb with your finger, and you can feel that center groove that clamp needs to squeeze onto. Feel it like that. Give your clamp a bit of a squeeze. You can kind of see that the clamp is squeezing down on that groove. If you're pretty close, it usually slides on. Now, if you want to snug these bolts up with an impact, that's okay, but do not fully tighten them with an impact. It's recommended to just snug them up like that and then finish off with a ratchet or a torque wrench. Proper torque on these bolts is about 45 pounds, 45 foot-pounds. So as long as you get that on that center groove, not on your edge groove, you always want to make sure you have it on this center groove, not on this edge groove, or it most likely will blow off. So as long as you have it center groove, tapered end pointing towards the hose, pointing away from the barb towards the hose, get your bolts nice and tight. If you want to use a torque wrench, 45 pounds, and that should be all you need to do. Thanks.